iOS 18 is packed with awesome new features, but one of the most useful is the ability to hide apps more effectively than ever before. Whether you want to keep prying eyes away from sensitive apps or just declutter your home screen, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide apps on iOS 18. This is the simplest way to hide apps, making them disappear from your home screen without actually deleting them. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. So let's say you want to hide an app and you wish not to be accessible to everyone. Long press the app icon until a menu appears. Tap on Require Face ID. Select Hide and Require Face ID. Tap Now on the Hide app. The app will vanish from your home screen but will still be available in the app library in the Hidden folder. So let's see where the app is located now. Let's go to the app library. Scroll down until you see the folder Hidden. If you tap on the folder, your Face ID will be required to open the folder. After you are verified, then the folder will show the hidden apps. iOS 18 gives you more control over your app visibility than ever before. Use this method to hide apps effectively, enhance your privacy, and declutter your iPhone experience. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you have any other topics you'd like to see a video on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.